Good morning, students. The poem that we are going to cover today is Mystery of the Talking Fan. And this poem beautifully explains that what is the mystery that the poet wants to know of the talking fan. You might be a little bit in the state of confusion. Really, a fan talks? That here, with the help of this poem, we will try to understand the mystery behind talking fan. Really, what is the talking? Generally it is hard, and it is said that only those can talk who are living, and especially human beings, but non-livings. We have never seen and heard anyone saying that non-living beings talks and say something, but it becomes that's why it becomes mystery for the poet, for the readers, that really what is the talking of the fan is there a ceiling fan in a room where you are sitting now? Students, you might have seen in your room, in your classes, or anywhere in your room, the ceiling fan that starts whirling, it starts running. Is the fan quiet or noisy? Just you might have observed that the running fan, sometimes it is running as smoothly, sometimes it's running and making lots of squeaky noise. It's not making noises. If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of talking fan. If it is making noises, if it is making sound, it means it is of the relative of talking fan. In the poem which you are going to read, all the same, this poem that we are going to study is also talking about once there was a talking fan, electrical hit chatter. The poet here mentions that there was a fan in the room, and that was a ceiling fan, that was not a table fan. The ceiling fan, it was chattering. What do you mean by chattering? Chattering, electrical hit chatter means the moment the fan was running, it was making sound. That is called chatter, electrical chatter. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Here the poet says that he was unable to solve the mystery of the making sound of the fan. He was unable to understand really what the fan said. It may be some electrical defect, it may be some problem. That's why the fan was making sound. That's why it was making sound, especially in his electrical motor that gives its a speed, and it was some, you can say, obstacle in the motor, some defects in the motor. That's why it was making and chattering. And I hope it doesn't matter. The poet says that it doesn't matter for me, that he does not take it very serious. That's why he says, because one day somebody wild his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Here the poet says that one day somebody came and whirled the motor of the fan. Perhaps it was the demand. It was the demand of the fan. The fan was talking, means expressing. The running fan, which was making sound, was expressing, wanted to express its problem, its defect. It was the talking of the fan. And when somebody came and put some oil in the motor of the fan, it is going to be solved. The mystery is going to be solved. That's why the talking of the fan here, it means that the fan wants to just express his problem. He wants his problem to be solved. That's why somebody came and puts while in it, and it starts as smooth as water flow in the river. Now there is no talking of the fan. The talking of the fan was because it was there some defect, some problem in the fan, and when it is wild, it has no longer the talking. Thank you.